In a significant turn of events, an agent of Israel's Mossad intelligence service was reportedly executed on Saturday in Iran's southeastern Sistan-Balochistan province. The news of the execution was given by the official IRNA news agency. The report from IRNA stated that the unnamed individual had been in contact with foreign services, specifically Mossad, collecting classified information. Allegedly, in collaboration with associates, this individual provided documents to foreign services, including the Mossad. The report did not specify the identity of the accused or the location where the alleged handover of classified information took place. The individual was accused of working with a Mossad officer with the aim of what they called propaganda for groups and organizations opposed to the Islamic Republic. The report did not provide details on when the person was arrested, but it mentioned that an appeal had been rejected. According to reports, the execution took place in a Zahedan jail in Sistan, Balochistan. It was conducted a day after Baloch militants attacked a police station in the province. The attack resulted in the tragic loss of 11 security personnel, with several others wounded. A state funeral was held on Saturday for the fallen men in the town of Rusk, where the attack occurred. 2 militants of the Jaish al-Adl group were reportedly killed in the subsequent clashes. Sistan Balochistan province, situated along the Iranian border with Afghanistan and Pakistan, has long been a hotspot for clashes between security personnel and Sunni militants. The region's population is predominantly Sunni Muslim, in contrast to the majority Shia population in Iran. The Institute for Intelligence and Special Operations, known as Mossad, is the national intelligence agency of the State of Israel. Responsible for intelligence collection, covert operations and counterterrorism, Mossad operates with its organizational structure officially classified. The agency's director reports directly and exclusively to the Israeli Prime Minister and is organized into divisions, each led by a director equivalent to a major general in the Israeli Defense Forces or IDF. As tensions rise in the region, this latest incident adds another layer of complexity to the already intricate geopolitical landscape.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.